Hello, it's Ryan here. It's a great day at Seven Pines. Tomorrow we have 2 move-ins and that puts us at 99% occupancy. We are hustling to lease up our last vacant unit. We decided to go hard and fast with our CapEx program to make a big resident impact. This strategy worked really well. We are tracking 8 renewals out of 9 expirations for January, all at our pro forma rents. Our pro forma rents are roughly $123 more than the in-place rents at takeover. The residents love the new Seven Pines, and today I will show you what we have been up to since we took over 3 months ago. We're going to check out the new leasing office and see an upgraded unit that just rented for $200 or 25% more than the previous lease. We also have some exciting news for you. We received our first water bill after we finished our water conservation program. Our bill went down $2,192 or 47% in just 1 month. At this pace, our break even will be 12 months. The residents love the new toilets and we are excited about saving upwards of $20,000 per year on water bills.